Hey everybody, it's burger time. Fire up my Blackstone Griddle and I'll turn those burners to low. Next I'm going to drop down slices of thick smoked bacon. When the bacon looks good on the bottom, I'll give it a flip and I'll use the Blackstone extra large griddle press to keep it flat. You don't want your bacon to burn, so go ahead and turn off a burner if you have to. Then I'll drop my Rastelli's Black Angus beefsteak craft burgers in that bacon grease. And I'll season those with Blackstone's whiskey burger seasoning. My Steelers didn't do well this year, but in celebration of the Super Bowl, let's give those burgers a flip. I picked up some Boar's Head Chipotle Gouda and mild Swiss cheese at the deli today. Meanwhile, our bacon is looking absolutely perfect. Gonna crisscross a piece of bacon on top of the cheese. And I want to suggest that you pick up some brioche buns at the bakery. They have a high egg and sugar content and they toast up beautifully. Plate it up and garnish it however you want. Mustard, mayo, pickle, lettuce, tomato, onion, I don't care. It looks like hamburgers are on the menu this weekend. Take a look at that. Not one, not two, but 3-bite Todd. Delicious. So shout out to Rastelli's. You know, I mentioned Rastelli's a couple of videos ago. So anybody that buys anything, you purchase anything from blackstoneproducts.com, you are going to get a unique Rastelli's discount code emailed to you. You know, every once in a while you find a restaurant, a pub, maybe you're traveling and you have a burger that just rocks your world. The beef just tastes incredible. It's packed with flavor. That's what we got right there, folks. Seriously, I want to tell you the truth. They are delicious. Everybody inside is going nuts over them. I just scarfed my burger down. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the burgers.